Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki here, and I am super excited about today's video because we are stepping outside. Many of you know Mike and I just recently purchased our forever home, and it's a renovation project, and we've been doing a lot of work on the inside of the home, but we're taking a break and we're really transitioning outdoors because we have found that living in the country at night, it gets dark. And so your lighting and curb appeal is really, really essential. And I want to thank my sponsors of this video, Lamps Plus, because you all know, if you've been with me a while, that I am a huge Lamps Plus fan, and they are really my lighting source for my entire home. And so I am super excited that they are the sponsors of this video and will be joining me on this journey of beautifying the exterior of our space. So let's get started. Okay, friends, here's our new home that Mike and I purchased a few months ago, and it just needed us to come in and give it some upgrades, some love, and it is just everything we need and we want in a home. It's on a big, beautiful piece of land that's so peaceful in the country, very private, and as you know, if you live in the country, it gets dark, right? There's no street lights and things like that, so exterior lighting is very important. And so for us, not even if you live in the country, but anywhere, how your home curb appeal and how you light your home just really sets the tone for anyone who steps on your property. And so for us, the first thing was find someone who could tackle that land and that yard, and we found a great guy, and he came out and he really just gave us a cleaning. He kind of put black mulch out because that's what I prefer, kind of laid out in the landscaping in all my homes. You know that about me if you've been with me a while, and it really just changed the whole look of the space just by putting the mulch down and trimming the trees, And so the next thing was for me to hit the garden center because I really needed to set the tone before I put the lights out, because I wanted to highlight some of the flowers with lighting. I wanted to highlight trees with lighting, but I needed to know kind of where I was going to put what, and I wanted to brighten up the exterior of our home by putting out some flowers and some trees and things like that, because truly that can really transform your home. And then you take it up an even notch when you add the lighting into it, right? So it was such fun just kind of picking the flowers and laying them out, and our landscape guy was so great because he was like, let me put them in the ground and you can, because I had so much to do inside the house, and so he just has been really a great help. Him and his wife, they really came out and they planted the flowers for me. I laid them out where I wanted everything to go, and they put them in the ground for me, and I was so thankful for that. That was so helpful so that I can go kind of tackle my interior projects, and then Mike and I would come back out and install the lighting. And so where I started was I wanted to tackle my front porch. I wanted to put these petunias in a pot and a fern, and I thought that would be a beautiful accent for the front porch. But one thing that was an eyesore was the lighting. I could not stand our front porch lighting. It was very dated and old and needed to be replaced. And Lamps Plus had this high mystic black wall light, 17 inches, and boy, is it a beauty. And it totally transformed our front porch. I love it, love it, love it, love it. So it just really changed the tone. The second thing that Mike and I really addressed was security. We wanted lights on all four corners of the house. I think that's very important to do to your house, but you don't want it to look like your house is Fort Knox, right? You don't want to have all these lights that are very kind of huge and overtaking the curb appeal and overtaking your home. And that's why I specifically like this one from Lamps Plus. It's 17 inches in total size, and I love it because it does the job. It lights each corner of our house, but it's kind of like unseen to me a little bit. It's not huge and it doesn't take over. It has a timer on it and you can adjust the sensitivity of the lighting, which I love, but it does the trick and it just does not overtake the house like I see sometimes that motion sensor lights can do. And I really, really love this. So we have these on each corner of our home, and it really lights that side of the house, which is very safe also. The next thing that we wanted to address, because it's so important, is the pathway. And I love these 3-tier pathway lights from Lamps Plus. They're very popular because they are beautiful. They're understated in the front of your house, so it really just can give you great pathway lighting with without being overwhelming. They really add to the look of your exterior and not take away from it. And as you can see in the front, it just beautifully lights our kind of shrubs and the front of the house, and it's really subtle. But what I love about this is the durability. This is going to last me over the years. And the great thing about Lamps Plus is it is one-stop shop, not only for the exterior of your home, but for the interior lighting in your home also. And they have everything you need to get the job done, from your transformers, your light bulbs, everything. The next thing that I wanted to do was I wanted to use these in-ground well lights from Lamps Plus to not usually you use these for your walkway because you kind of mount them underground, and they really are great for long driveways and walkways, but I wanted to use it more aesthetically to really highlight the peaks of our house. As you can see where the triangle peaks, we have 4 of them on our house. Well, for the 3 minus the front porch one, I wanted one light to really shoot up to each peak to really bring a soft ambient light to the brick and to the window, but not be overwhelming. I did not want anything bright and something that would really just kind of overtake our windows and be distracting from the interior. But it's really subtle, but it's effective, and it just softens the brick at night. It softens the window, and it's just really a great look. So we mounted it underground in front of each one of those peaks, and it just really gave just a soft glow to our home in an overall look. And it really just was beautiful because we had the lights from the front porch and then those lights on our peaks. Now, I love this hooded low voltage black landscape spotlight. This is one of those popular lights on Lamps Plus because it really is versatile. You can use these for your pathway. You can use these as accent lighting for your flowers and your trees. And one thing that I love them for is like when you want to just highlight the flowers or your plants on your front porch and really give a nice balance to your front door lighting on the walls. So it really is great. Also, if you have signage in your landscaping that you want to highlight, they're great for that, and that's especially at nighttime great for people to be able to see. And we loved being able to use them to highlight our new kind of shrubs and flowers, and it plays double duty because when you're lighting the actual shrub, it also lights the walkway. And so they really play double duty, and they're just really a very versatile and fun light. Okay, friends, so are you wondering why you're looking at this absolutely beautiful Hudson Valley chandelier from Lamps Plus? I am obsessed with the chandelier. I don't even think it's translating in video as beautiful as it truly is in person. It is in my entryway, and by the way, I have that video coming soon, so you'll definitely want to come back for that. And it really is important to talk about because your entryway lighting affects your curb appeal if you have a feature window that showcases your entryway lighting from the exterior of your home. So you want to be intentional about having something that is absolutely beautiful. And that was so important in my last home. And I used to get so many people walk by and ask, where did you get your lighting? Because it showcased our home so well. Now, one thing I would say about the Hudson Valley chandelier is that it is amazing when it comes because it comes all put together, which I love. And what you're looking at is actually the jewelry. It was so fun to just pull a completely put together chandelier out and be able just to add these beautiful pieces, the crystal slide it in, the chrome, just screw it on, no tools needed, and have this beautiful piece of art. I love it. It really just sets the tone for the entryway. And if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss my entryway tour. So definitely be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are notified when that video posts. But friends, definitely if you have an outdated entryway lighting, it is not only affecting the interior of your home, but also the exterior. So friends, I really loved how all of the lighting came together. It really just enhanced our home. We do have a final touch of we want to kind of change out the shutters to black. I think that's really going to be striking and beautiful on the home, but it really is transforming to think about your lighting on the exterior of your home for not only curb appeal, but also for your safety. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed joining me on this journey of getting all of the exterior of the home started. It is going to be a process, but one thing that I am so thankful is that we now have beautiful lighting on the exterior of our home, and it really is very impactful. And I want to thank my sponsors of this video, Lamps Plus. They are just that one-stop source for all of your lighting and they're all throughout my home. I love lamps. Plus, I will put the link to them down below. Definitely check them out. I hope you all are doing great. I will see you at the next video, and this is Nikki saying goodbye.